Alright guys, I'm in Indiana. I'm in Indianapolis, Indiana, and of course I gotta go into this Dollar Tree. Wow, their shore living line has a whole wall back here. Holy moly. And because I'm traveling, I can't take any of this home with me. So it's super depressing. Like, look at all of these little trinkets. And, oh, this, I like that. What? Oh my god, is that a message in a bottle? Okay. I guess Dallas just doesn't have anything like this. Wow, these are so nice. They actually look like metal, but they're not. Wait. I really want this. Oh my god. I would be taking this home right here. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Wait a minute. No. A bottle opener and then like your little bottle caps go in there. What? I don't even have words right now. Wait. Look at these. We don't have anything like this in Dallas. Like, what is going on? Should I get this one? I'm gonna get this one. I gotta be really careful on what I decide to get because I just don't have room. Wait, what's this? Avocado napkins. I can't. So like I was saying, I am in Indianapolis, Indiana, and I have several videos where I do like travel and Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna leave that playlist down below. So yeah, so anyways, but like I said, because I'm traveling, I really just can't put very much, plus I think I overpacked. So I'm just gonna have to do my best to just get, you know, what I just feel like, one, can fit in my luggage, and two, what I just don't think I'm gonna get back home. They have these. Oh wow. Oh my gosh, a whole box. A whole box. What? See, I would want that. Hey, look at these cute little erasers. Do I have these? Look at these erasers. Oh, they are so cute. Oh, wow. More Sesame Street stuff. Wait, what is this? It's a giant sticker. Look at the cute little donuts. Wait, what are these? Why? Why does this happen to me? I want this. I want to take this home. A strawberry hand soap, pineapple, like, I can't stand this anymore. I can't. This is too much torture. Wow, I've never seen these. This body scrubber. Oh, the cute little lip glosses. Wait, I don't have the orange. Orange pop. Wow. Oh my gosh. I have not even seen these. Yes. A strawberry one. Yeah, we're gonna get that one. Wait, bath confetti? We're getting that. We definitely got to get that one. What's this one? Gotta get this one. Oh, and this one. Let's also get the mermaid one, which is so cute. And then some of These I've already gotten before. My mom just got me that one. Okay. Wait, what's this? Oh, a little to go. That is so cool. I mean, I don't know if it's worth $1.25, but okay, so I hold this and this, and they also have a spray mist, which I'm not seeing, but this I don't have in the collection, so I haven't seen this in Dallas. Oh, I've been looking for this in Dallas, but I can't take this home, but I've been searching for this. Oh my gosh. Look at this spot treatment. What is this? You know what? Let's get that. That'll fit my luggage, and I can take it back because it's under the size. Wait, what is this? I don't know, but we're getting it. What did I just stumble upon? You guys, Be Pure is killing it. They're killing the game. And this. I've also been looking for this. That goes with like that collection, but I want to find this at home, so we're gonna leave it here, but I'm happy I found it, at least, if that makes sense. Okay. So I'm also still looking for those hand sanitizer soaps or sprays, so we'll see. Wait. I know, like, I'm all over the place, but look at that. I really want those. I didn't even know about those. Wait, what's this? I'm telling you, if I was home right now, I would immediately get like 6 of these. Look how beautiful. The cashmere vanilla. Oh no. I must find these at home. It hurts so bad not to be able to put that in my cart. Like, it hurts real bad. Look at these. Look at these bath bombs. The little boat. Shell. Mermaid tail. Like, oh my god. What? No way. Harry Potter at Dollar Tree. Wow. Not Dollar Tree, trying to do Stanley dupes. The Stanley dupes, you guys. Aquaflow for $5. Wow. What? This store. It's just, it's my favorite. Hopefully the audio doesn't get messed up. It is warm out. I mean, look at me. I'm in a sweater, of course. But hopefully my audio is okay. And I had to move because there's a hump over there. So hopefully you guys are getting a good view. But yeah, if you hear like the rumbling or anything, it's because the car's like running, and the AC, I have it on like as low as possible. Anyways, all right, so got a bag, and how? Tell me how a sticker got in this bag. You know what? Don't tell me. Don't tell me. I already know. I have a problem. That's the answer. But I saw the cherry, and it just felt like a fruit day for me. And then I also got some Twix, which I've already had one. And then I got some Reese's peanut butter cups. When I was packing last night at home, I grabbed my snack bag, and in my bag I just didn't have any chocolates, so I got these for that. And I might have to obviously buy more because I'll eat those before they even make it to my airplane snack bag. Okay, so then I did pick up this extra care line, which has been at Dollar Tree before, but it doesn't have like the Dollar Tree logo on it. Also, just so sad, all the tornadoes and all of the homes. One in Lincoln, Nebraska, was it Lincoln? I mean, oh my gosh, and also recently it swept through Oklahoma, and it actually destroyed an entire Dollar Tree warehouse, and it was massive. Like, I don't think I've ever seen a bigger warehouse ever. And I really don't know what that means in terms of stores and getting stuff. Obviously, it means there's, you know, maybe there's going to be a shortage. I really don't know. But like even the trucks, like the 18-wheeler trucks, they were just like thrown all over the building. It was just, it is insane to me what a tornado can do. But anyways, so I don't really know much about this brand other than I've seen it over the years at Dollar Tree, but this is a vanishing cream, and it is a spot acne. But what's special about it is that it's claiming that you can compare this to Neutrogena on the spot. So it's giving dupe to the Neutrogena acne on the spot treatment. So I found that for $1.25. Then I did pick up this Be Pure white pencil. So what are they calling this? It's an eye and brow duo. Guessing that you can like obviously like, you know, kind of give your brow a little highlight, which let's try that. You know what I'm saying? So I'm looking around to see if anybody's like watching me. But supposedly you kind of do this, and then I guess like I'd have to work with this obviously because, you know, I got a hat on, but I mean, it gives it that little, like, it's pigmented. You can see that. And then you can also do like your inner corner, which, like, let me just show you the picture. See that? So they're saying like on the brow you can do this, and then on the inner corner make it super bright. But yeah, so I'm excited to kind of like work with this little pencil and see what it's got. Then you saw that I did grab this. So far back in Dallas, I've hauled the flamingo, the watermelon, the pineapple. I had no idea there was a lemon. So we had to get her because I've been saying this for years actually. I really want to do like a lemon theme for summertime in my home. So I think this would be really pretty to put somewhere. Okay, next up, let's just get into basically the bulk of this haul, which by the way, I spent $22.50, I think. My receipt's like all messed up, but most of it were face masks, with the exception of this, which really surprised me. Again, Be Pure coming in hot. The bath confetti. What? That is so cute. Like, this would be really pretty to pick up for Mother's Day. So yeah, so for Mother's Day, this would be really nice. You could put it in a gift basket. I wonder what this smells like, but I've never seen bath confetti before at Dollar Tree. Then I picked up the mermaid mask. Also, why does the packaging just gets me every time? Then I had no idea I was gonna find these little gems. Again, with this price tag, where is this coming from? See, this one doesn't have it. Does anybody know? But please comment and let me know. But yeah, so we've got watermelon and we've got strawberry. The only thing I'm questioning right now in my life is why did I only get one of each? Because I definitely want to have several of these for back home. And so, but I'm going to be in Indiana for a couple of days. So we're going to go to another Dollar Tree. And then I think I'm going to Ohio. So we'll hopefully go to a Dollar Tree there as well and see if we can't find more of those. I'm also still on the hunt for the Be Pure hand sanitizers. Hopefully we'll find those. Then we have this one, which also you can see it's like a little set. I don't know if there's more to this collection. I imagine there possibly could be. So this one is hydrating and it's donut scented. That's cute. And this one is calming and it's ice cream scented with the sprinkles. And then the strawberry is uplifting and it's very berry scented. Why did I only get one of those? Ever since I organized my bathroom, let me tell you, I can now see my stuff. I have been using my Dollar Tree stuff and it has felt so good. So now I'm like really into the beauty section at Dollar Tree. It's been like my newest obsession. I think obsession, I'm trying not to honestly use that word in the wrong context, but it has been like the spot in Dollar Tree that I am the most drawn to right now, I guess you could say. And yeah, anyways, then I found this under eye mask. Super cute. Love the cherries. And then the print actually looks like that. You only get one pair in here, but all of these things would be so darling for Mother's Day. Like, that's what I'm gonna tell Micah. Just go to Dollar Tree, make me a basket. I would love that, honestly. All right, then I found this, which is leaving me so intrigued, and I wanted to just like sit down and open it on camera with you guys. It says twice daily for dry skin. It hydrates your skin. Hydrated skin just looks better. This Lumen, I've never heard of this brand. I'm not a beauty guru, so I don't know, but look how chic Miss Ma'am is. I mean, what? And then let's just, wow. Why does this smell expensive? Why do I feel like I just discovered something, but I don't know what I discovered? Okay. And then I found this little peach duo by Be Pure, and I had no idea this was floating around at Dollar Tree. So we have this peach sheet mask, super cute, and then the peach hand cream. I do not remember the last time that I saw hand creams in these cute little containers. Like, Dollar Tree actually used to do them a while back, long before Be Pure was even a brand sold at Dollar Tree. They would do really cute little containers like this for hand creams, and then it just stopped happening for whatever reason. And now I guess, look at her. She's got the little indentation from the peach. Miss Ma'am smells like peach. Yep, sure does. Like, that is so adorable to me. So I found that. And the very last thing, which oddly enough, I believe is also a peach, is this bath bomb. Now, I found this in this store next to the watermelon bath bombs. So if you watched my last haul, I forget which haul it was, but it had watermelon bath bombs in it. This was next to it. So clearly there is a fruit thing going on with this collection. So they're also selling watermelon, is my point. But I've already hauled the watermelon. Actually, the watermelon had 2 parts to it, whereas the peach, I only found this. So anyways, that's it, you guys. That is my first Indianapolis haul. And it was very rough having to walk away from so much in that store. When I tell you my cart would have been full, like, it's a knife to the chest. It is. And that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for coming along with me. There might be another Indiana part 2 in a different town, and then there could be in Ohio, like Cincinnati, Ohio, to come as well. So anyways, that's it for the Indiana haul. Hopefully I find those hand sanitizers here, because Dallas has let me down. But that's it, you guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.